What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to do color switching YouTube intro, like I'm finna show you here. So yeah, basically it's actually not that hard of a process. It's gonna, well, maybe it kind of is. It takes a bit of time to perfect it to how you want. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to open the PicMonkey app. If you don't have it, download it right now. I believe most of the content on here is free, but if not, I think it's not like a monthly purchase, so it's like a one-time purchase, which is something that I like. I don't know why I'm telling you that, but yeah, but anyways, so first things first, you're gonna go to custom. No, I'm sorry. You're gonna go to the plus sign and you're gonna click start design. And then what you're gonna do is, actually, you're not gonna do any of this, so you're just gonna click next and you're just gonna leave the background as the transparent checker background. So then next what you're gonna do is you're gonna take I believe the graphics. Yes, you click the graphics and you click the rectangle and you just enlarging it all the way until it fits the whole screen. And then you just start going through. You pick any color you want. It's the first color, so I'm gonna pick this one. And then after that, then I'm gonna click on text and I'm gonna go to, yeah, just click text and then you just type in your YouTube channel name. So like for this one, I'm gonna just type YouTube intro. Then what you do, you look at your fonts. So I'm gonna go with this one, and then you're gonna just basically however you want to do it, however you want to do the thing. I suggest doing the shadows on it so that way it looks more like it's there. But yeah, so just gonna pick your color for everything and all that. And then yeah, okay, so once you have your channel name, once you edited all the stuff on there, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go over here to save, and you're just gonna save it to your camera roll like that. And then you're not done yet because you want all the colors. So you're gonna click back on graphics, you're gonna click back on the rectangle, and you're gonna choose the next color. So choose yellow, and then you're gonna click this down arrow right here. And then yeah, basically you just do that and you save all your colors to camera roll, and then we'll get on to the next step. Okay, so now you're gonna go to the Velo app. You can use iMovie as well if you want to do that, but I suggest using Velo for the intro just because you're more able to make more precise. You're able to make the clips a lot smaller than iMovie and more precise. So you're just gonna go here, create video, and then you're just gonna click all the colors. You can do it in whichever order you want, and then you're gonna click the right arrow up here to the right, and then you're gonna do the YouTube one because that's your YouTube intro. You got the colors. Now it takes a bit for them to change colors, so now what you're gonna do is, I want it to be like a 0.10 second color changing. So I'm gonna split and I'm gonna delete the rest of that clip. Basically you're just trying to get them equal. Alright, so basically after you get everything equaled up, you just click play, and then basically that's your intro, but we're not done yet. Okay, so once you get into iMovie, you select the clip that you saved from the Velo app, and see it's still playing like that. And basically all you do from here, because you couldn't do it, well, I mean, I guess you could use Velo and then create another video and put that clip, but now you just duplicate it. And this is just depending how long you want the intro. So like I wanted to change color multiple times with the same colors, so you just add the audio. You can if you want like some music, you can just go on YouTube, screen record the music. So like, say for instance, I'm gonna be using Yesersky by Lil Uzi in 21. So you just click here, and then you click audio only. That adds the audio to your YouTube intro, and you just cut the rest of the intro off at the end of the clip, and then here it is. Now that's not the most accurate, but you can edit it around and make it fit with the music. And when you want to cut it, you can fade the audio out so that way it doesn't just cut off. I hope y'all enjoyed that tutorial. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell to get notified when to upload a new video, because I will be trying to upload a lot of videos this week, each day. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I'll see y'all later.